Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here on the Dixie Belle YouTube channel with a quick tip. Now, I love using patina, and today I use the Iron Patina because I wanted a rusty look on this piece, but I also wanted some added colors. Now, I'm going to show you a tip and trick on how to get a variation of colors without having to use all the different patina paints, the copper, the bronze, and the iron. So today I just use the iron, and one tip for that as well is when you're doing your iron and doing any patina, you put your patina paint on, you shake it well, you put the patina paint on, you let it dry, and then when you come back to your second coat, you apply it, and while it's wet, you spray it with the activation spray. Now, when you're using patina and iron, you want, for the rust look, you have to use the green spray. Now, if you're using the copper or bronze, you can use either the blue or the green to get the look that you're looking for. But when you're working with iron, you need to use the green. And here's one tip. Now, if you want to be able to control your spray and you don't want to use a sponge, a very easy tip, and it also prevents a lot of mess, is these little travel bottles. I've got my activation spray in here. These are the little travel bottles that you use for the airlines because they're all plastic and everything, so you don't have to worry about, I don't think there's any metal in here to worry about any corrosion after the fact. But I like to put my activation sprays in these little misting bottles. And so when you spray it, it's just a soft mist, and you have a lot of control over where your spray goes, and you don't get a lot of dripping. So that is a new tip that I've been using, is these little spray bottles. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. Now, patina can be unpredictable, and that's what I love about it. But with the iron, I kind of want some other colors in it. So I'm gonna bring you close up to what I'm working on the feet of this piece. I use the iron patina, it's already processed, but now I wanna give it a little bit something extra. Now, Dixie Belle has gilding waxes. They have them in black, hammered copper, Anastasia, turquoise teal, and this one is sterling silver, warm gold, patina green, and my favorite, as you can tell, bronze. Okay, we're gonna be using a couple of these colors to accentuate our patina and really give it some added color and bring it to life. So let me go ahead and pan down and show you close up what I'm doing, and you'll get to see how easy it is to add color to your patina without having to use several of the different patina products, simply with using Gilding Wax. Okay, so as you can see, I mean, this is pretty the way it is, but it really needs a pop of something. So what I want to do first is I like to use black gilding wax to put a little bit of veining and some dimension in all these crevices. I like to use a stiff stenciling brush when I'm putting on my gilding waxes. I'm just going to tap it in, get a little gilding wax on there. Okay. And I'm gonna brush it on this corner here so it looks like it's worn. See, I can see that black. So I'll kind of do these corners here. It's gonna make it look even more aged and less done unnaturally. So I'm adding some black. I might add some black veining. And I'm just rubbing it in. See how that does that? And then maybe I want some black over here. And I can layer the gilding waxes too. And I haven't re-dipped. I'm just using what's left on my brush. A little goes a long ways. See how that brought that black right there? And it kind of connects onto this corner. I want it to look nice and old and not so uniform. Okay, so got some black on there, just accentuating my edges. Now maybe I want to add some green in there or some blue. I'll use the turquoise teal. And then maybe I want some little bit of blue. Work it into these little corners here. This makes it easier than having to do the copper and the rust. So I'm adding some blue in there. I can take a rag and just massage it in. So it's very subtle. Just to give it some pops of color in certain areas. Maybe I want a little blue up here. Just a little bit of like veining of blue. See that? Right there. Okay. And then I'll rub it in so it's not so abrupt and so bright. Okay, now how about we add some patina green on here? My green has gotten a little hard. Okay, so maybe I want to add some green in around this blue. My green is dried out a little bit. I'm just gonna do subtle green. I don't want to make this look like a rainbow. Okay, the green is very subtle. Okay, and then maybe I want to put a little bit of the hammered copper. Just for some shine. Maybe I want to put a little bit of shine. Just kind of sporadically put it in some areas. Go over these corners here, give it a little bit of shine. Mix them in with that black, okay? I don't want it to take over the patina. I just want to add some extra color and some extra detail to it. Now if I have my bronze, I like the way it is, but if I have this a little too dark, I can go back with my black. And I can like blend the black, so blend my colors together a little bit more. So they're not so abrupt between colors. Just go back with my black and go right over the other gilding wax to tone it down. Just putting a little bit of black over that corner of the bronze. So the bronze is just peeking through. And then just rub it together. Give it a little bit of shine. Now, I still am not a fan of how abrupt it is from the orange to the green. So I do want to put something there, and I might put, I'm gonna put some of the bronze in there, because the bronze kind of goes with the rest. And kind of grow those two together, and wipe it back. So I just have a little hint of the green showing in there. And I think I need some black veining in here. So it's a lot of fun. It's like, you know, a painted canvas. Just put a little vein in here. Just to break up all that rust. Darken up that little section. Oopsie, wrong color. Okay, there you go. I just wanted to show you that when you get done doing your patina and you're not wanting to have a solid rust and you wanted to have a little pop of like the green patina coming through or a little bit of blue, and the black ages the corners. I love using the black gilding wax when I use patina. But I just wanted to show you this quick tip and trick to use your gilding waxes to really make your patina pop. Okay, well there you have it. So next time you're doing your patina, make sure that you're using a misting bottle, those little cheap travel misting bottles to have better control. And also, don't forget your gilding waxes. Now, gilding waxes, even if you went with just black and maybe turquoise teal, just having a couple colors added to your patina really takes it up to the next level and adds a lot of character, a lot of interest, and a lot of dimension to your patina. And so I'll take some close-up pictures so you can see how it turned out. And this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here on the Dixie Belle YouTube with a quick tip. Okay, until next time, I hope you have a great day.